Hello and welcome back to Bridge Academy. So in this video we're going to look at the top 5 command line tricks that you're going to need as a security pro using the Linux. Here we are in Kali Linux. Let's get started. So the first command we're going to look at is how to search smarter in files. So let's say we have a log file or something equivalent where we want to search for a particular pattern. It could be, for example, a password in a login log. We have a simple file here, so I've just written some gibberish here, but I also have 2 lines of password that I would like to find. Let's say that this is several thousand lines long and there is plenty of content here. So through the command line we can actually use the grep command, and then we can type the word we are interested in and then get that line printed. So we type the grep space and then the word we're searching for and then the file we want to search in. And as we see here, it returns 2 lines in that particular file where password were present. So this is a quick way to search for anything within a log file using the terminal. Next off, we would like to see active connections on our machine. We can use the netstat command for this to see which one is connected and then print out. And this works also in Windows. But in order for us to actually list established connection and then help us identify suspicious activities like unauthorized access or malware communications, we can use netstat and then an, and then we can pipe that and using the grep that we saw previously, and then we can type established to get it to search for connections, and then we get actually return only the content that is related to established connection, and then we can start to pinpoint whether these are legitimate or not based on the IP they are connected to, if that is something that they should, where there should be an active connection from our device out through the internet. Next off is how to monitor process management. So in Windows you probably know the task list. In Linux you can basically use the top command to show the and ranked order of processes running based on how much memory and processing they take. So here we have, for example, Firefox, which is running, that is among the top ones. But if I would, for example, open an application that will require much more CPU from my computer or similar, it will get right to the top here, and then I can keep a track on, again similar to when looking at active connections, if the top ones is actually also what I expect. So if there is suddenly a application or something running taking a lot of my computation time and I didn't expect that, it's probably something I should investigate a bit further into. Next off, we have secure wiping of our file. And if we just list what files we have, remember I have the password file. Let's say I want to delete this and make sure that this is securely deleted. So if I just delete it, it will still be possible to backtrack that particular file, but if we use the shred command before deleting it, it will be overwritten by gibberish before it's getting deleted. Hence, if we try to restore it or somebody tries to restore it, they will not get the original content, but they will get the latest content, which is this overwritten gibberish in the file. And let's see if the file is there, and now the file is gone and it has been safely deleted.